Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be going over how to make your shared links on ChatGPT inaccessible. So let's get started. First, you open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you already logged in on your account, then on the lower left corner, you can see where your name is located. But if you haven't, then you need to log in first to be able to see it. Then click on the three dots beside your name and tap on Settings, then click on Date Controls. On the Shared Links section, tap on Manage. Then here, it will be shown what conversations you have shared. So to make this inaccessible to the people you have shared, just click on Delete. Then, they will now have no access to that conversation. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.